Hey, my name is James, and I'm here at my storage locker. And one of the things that we quickly realized was just the lack of lighting. And you can see as you come in here, they gave us a little 40-watt incandescent bulb, and it just wasn't enough. So we found a product from a company called IQ America, and they make these LED battery-operated motion lights. And they are amazing. So they come with a little 180-degree sensor on the bottom, and it's pretty substantial. It can pick up stuff anywhere from 35 feet up to 55 feet, depending on which model you have. But picks up motion. It takes 4 D batteries that go in this backplate here, and it just snaps closed. And then you get a mounting plate that you can use screws on. You can mount on the wall, on the ceiling. And in this case, I have just installed with a little 1/4-20 screw a magnet. And so we've got a couple up there that are actually attached via zip ties now. But you can see the light that comes out of these. It's bright, it's effective, and I'm just gonna take you up here and show you how easy it is. Like I said, with this magnet we have on here, we got a little I-beam, and it just attaches, and it's ready to go. And you've got light all through your storage locker.